These are the Keis X2 heated inner trousers.
The Keis heated trousers have their own independent heat controller. They fit snugly under any garments. I've tried them under my jeans, I've tried them under my one-piece racing suit. No problems to speak of. They also have 2 heat zones, one on either thigh, and right now they're doing an incredible job of keeping me nice and toasty warm.
You'll notice that they have an elasticated waistband that's to fit all shapes and sizes of both men and women. You'll notice also this convenient flap right here, which hangs over the waistband of whatever trousers you're wearing these underneath. Featured here is the controller, which switches between high, medium and low with a really nice tactile click. On the side here, you'll find a pocket which contains the power cable. In both ankles, you'll find a hidden compartment which contains yet another strategically placed cable to connect to your heated insoles too.